Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be making the dress that Sakura wears in the Fate Heavens Feel movie. For Sakura's dress, we're going to be using new look number 6299, and we're going to be modifying view B to match Sakura. And the material I'm using is a white peach skin that I got at my local Joann's. Though one thing about this pattern is that the dress is a little too short. So what I'm doing is just pinning the pattern on and then lengthening it. I'm lengthening it for 6 inches for myself. I'm 5 feet tall, so you may have to lengthen it further if you're taller than that. And I'm just using a disappearing ink pen and a clear ruler to add the extra length to the bottom of the pattern pieces. Then we're going to assemble the base dress by sewing all of the pieces together along the side seams and along the shoulder seams, leaving the back seam open. Since the dress material was a little bit sheer, I repeated the same process using some white lining fabric, making it a little bit shorter at the bottom than the dress itself, and we're also going to hem this piece. Cut the collar pieces out of white fabric, omitting the little bump at the end for buttons, and we're going to put right sides together and sew all along the edge. Then we're going to turn it right side out and press it flat. Putting right sides together, we're going to sandwich the collar in between the outer portion of the dress and the lining, and sew all three together along the neckline. Turn the dress right side out, and we're going to top stitch under the collar to help keep it in place, and we're also going to stitch around the armhole and down each side of the back of the dress to secure the lining to the outer shell. For the puff sleeves of the dress, we're going to be using Simplicity 1093, and we're going to cut 2 of them out of the white fabric, zigzag along the edges to keep them from fraying. Then we're going to take the bottom of the sleeve, fold it upward, and sew it into place to create a channel for the elastic. Cut a piece of elastic to the desired length, and we're going to thread it through the channel in the bottom of the sleeve and sew it into place on each end. Once the elastic has been sewn in place, we're going to fold the sleeve in half, putting right sides together, sew it together along the side. Then we're going to gather along the top of the sleeve and sew it to the dress. Sew the dress together along the center back seam and insert a zipper. Then we're going to finish the edge using a rolled hem. Lastly, we're going to finish the dress by sewing on 2 black buttons and sewing on a black ribbon under the bust. I sewed it on either side of the zipper, tied the 2 ends together in a bow, and then hand sewed the knot of the bow to the dress because it kept slipping downward, so this is just to tack it and keep it in place. And with that, Sakura's dress is done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!